Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss the PT 365, the polity, which is regarding the pardon of governor. Because this is a Rajiv Gandhi case which is pending till 1991 to 2021 in Madras High Court. Because of this assassination, there are 7 persons have been convicted. They are still in the jail. That's why right now they are asking the pardon of the governor. So this is why this is come into the picture. So we will first study the about the Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi is the son of Indira Gandhi. He is the prime minister of 1984 to 1989, and in 1989 he lost the election. So he is famous for his some economic reform, then government privatization, but certainly he would face some revelation, because of the revelation in 1991 he was assassinated by the Tamil Tigers, which is a separate group in Sri Lanka. They have been assassinated him in 1991 during campaigning in the Tamil Nadu election. So these 7 have been the convicted person. So the first one will the Murugan alias Sriharan, and the second one will T. Surendra Raja, Santan. The third one will the Nalini. The fourth one will the Ravichandran. Fifth one Robotic Pyas, S. Jaykumar. And regarding this news coming to the pardon come to this AG Parivahana alias. What is his work during the process? Because he is convicted due to he bring a 12-volt battery for the use of the residency Vijayanagara Volt and 9-volt over the Srivaram. Means he bring a 12-volt car battery. He bring a 12-volt car battery for use of the residency at Vijayan, and a 9-volt battery for the Sivaraman. And the trial has been tends to death by Tada in 1998. But he confirmed his death sentence by 1999. But till now he is in jail of the Tamil Nadu government. So this is come into news due to his pardon is pending in front of the governor of the Tamil Nadu. So we will study what is the pardon power of the. First we will compare president and a governor, the pardoning power different. First, already I have discussed you. This is the part 2 of polity 365. So remission of AG Parivanam. His name normally indicate. So AG Perari Vahan. His name will be Perari Vahan. Is convicted Rajiv Gandhi assassinated, and still his remission pending in Tamil Nadu governor for 2 years, because governor of any state has certain power, so it is holding some power with him. So we will compare this power with president, how president and governor rule will be different. So when we compare it with president, the president power, the comparison pardoning power between president and governor, for consider governor it will be 72 article. Sorry, for president it will come to 72 article. For governor it will be 161 article. President can pardon any cases, either punishment, sentence in offense against union law. President can pardon which is come under union law, or punishment also martial court and a death sentence. He can be do all the things, either any law he has been convicted due to union law or martial court or death sentence. President has the power to pardon all the three which is mentioned in the article 72. But it come to governor, he can pardon only state law, and he cannot pardon two cases. One is which is given by the martial art. The first one is the देखो प्रेसिडेंट ओनली कैन पार्डन मार्शल आर्ट बट गवर्नर कैनॉट डू and one is death sentence. Governor has no power. Two things, governor has no power, or remission has governor has power. So this is come into the state government has requested the governor of Tamil Nadu to remission of AG Perari Vahan, but still it is pending 2 years in front of the governor. So again there are 4 type of pardoning power in front of the president. First one is a pardon, commutation, remission, respite, reprieve. Pardon means completely dissolve convicted from all his sentence. Means suppose a 10 years sentence is given, but after pardon his term will be 0. So he will be completely pardoned from his convict. Commutation means it will be reduce the punishment. Suppose I have to stringent punishment by 10 years, but it will be reduced the stringent punishment into a smaller one. Means it will reduce the lighter form of punishment. Remission means it will reduce the period of time. Remission means suppose initially I have given 10 years, it will later reduce to 5 years. So remission means it only time changes, but the stringent punishment means it will be continuous stringent punishment only. Next come to respite. Respite is given a lesser sentence in place of original awarded due to some special fact. It may be physical disable or pregnancy or offender. It may be lesser sentence. Whenever suppose there is a 10 years due to pregnancy, it may be we can be considered 9 years or 8 years. Due to some special cases or disabled, we can be reduce the lesser sentence for the any due to some special criteria. It may be we reduce its sentence. Then reprieve implies stay the execution for the certain special time. Reprieve means we can be stay the execution for certain time. This is a temporary staying purpose. Reprieve means it is a temporary staying purpose. We will see right now the governor also the same power. Governor has the he can grant pardon, reprieve, respite, remission. Without he cannot give death sentence. He has no power to give death sentence. He can give all the pardon regarding the state law. Governor can suspend, remit, commute death sentence. Governor can suspend, remit, commuted death sentence. So governor has the power. This is the president of power. So here we are comparison between the India and the US president. US president exercises pardoning power. Recently, US President has exercised his pardoning power regarding the national security. Is former national security advisor. USA constitutional right to pardon, commit. USA also has a constitutional right to pardon commuted sentence. Is crime a grant without limits? USA has no limited. He can be committed any sentence or he can be pardoned anyone. But the President of India has act on the advice of the Council of Ministers. In USA, President has to be act according to his will. But India, according to Article 72, he has to be act according to the Council Cabinet advice. He has power to grant pardon, reprieve, respite, remission of any punishment. This is a difference between governor and a president of India. So this is still pending in the governor in the Rajiv Gandhi assassination, one convicted. So this is the third topic. Thank you. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.